Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to handle duplicates when using merge queries left outer inside the Power Query. We're going to do this with a very simple example. I have two tables here, the sales data and the category in different sheet. So I'm going to load both of it in the Power Query. So let's first load the sales data, select all of the data, go to Data tab, and then from table range, okay. And then I'm gonna rename it as the sales by category. And then I'll go to the home tab, close and load to, only create connection, okay. And then here the category, select all of the data, go to data tab, from table range, check my table has headers, okay. And then I'm gonna rename it as category, and then go to the home tab, close and load to, and then only create connection, okay. Now I'm going to go back to the Power Query by double clicking the sales by category. Okay. Now in here, I'm going to merge both of the tables. So I'm going to go to the Home tab again. Here in the Home tab, there is Merge Queries. And then I'm going to merge the sales by category with the category, and the common column between the two tables is the code. So I'm going to select the code. I'm going to use the left outer as the join kind, and then OK. That's it. We have the category column with table here, including the code and then a category. And that's it. Now let's expand this, retain the category column, and then uncheck this original column name as prefix, okay. And then edit the naming here in the formula bar for the category. So remove the .1 here and then enter, that's it. And then I'm going to move this category in the first column. That's our report now. And then let's load it. So go to the home and then close and load. And then here, I'm going to right click the sales by category, load to in a table, new worksheet, okay. So that's it. That's our report. Let's put it here in the top sheet. And then let's have the auto sum here to check the total. So the total sales will be 28,191. Let's check the sales data, sales sheet. So again, auto sum here, and let's check it, 28,191. So no problem because the data are perfect. Now here, the problem will be if you have duplicate in the source data category. So when you duplicate that and then hit the data tab and refresh all, and then what happened here is the sales by category report will be incorrect when you check it with the sales data. So the problem here lies with the report as well, because the miscellaneous here is also duplicated. So we're going to remove the duplicates inside the Power Query. So I will go back again to the sales by category, double click that, and then here, let's check it first. In the merge queries applied steps, let's check the code E205F for miscellaneous. So in here, the table here is having a duplicate code and category. So we're gonna remove that. So I will remove that in the category table. So we need to refresh that to reflect the changes in the spreadsheet. And then I'm gonna choose both of the column, the code and category. And in the same tab, home tab, there is remove rows. Choose that and then click remove duplicates. And that's it. Now let's go back to the sales by category again. Let's check the merge queries applied steps, and then the E205F here in the table. It's now a unique code and category, so that's what we need. So we can load it now again. So go to the home tab, close and load, and then hit the data tab and refresh all. Now the sales total is again same with the sales data, so that's correct now. So in here, when you check the category, that's okay. When the code and category is having a duplicate, you can also duplicate all of it, and then when you hit refresh all, there will be no effect on the total sales. So that's it. This is gonna be the video for today, and this will be my last video for the year to give way to the holiday season. So happy holidays to everyone. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel click the subscribe button. And again, thank you for your support. I will see you next year for more improved content, and see you next time, and thanks.